In this video, we are going to break down NAS100 versus US30, and which is better to overall trade. This is a question I get asked all the time. Which should I trade? NAS100, US30. Which one am I going to make the most money with in the short amount of time, right? So that being said, let's dive into this video. If you're new and stepping in, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you guys think. And as always, if you're interested in joining our 100% free Discord community, the link for that is going to be below this YouTube video. You can come and engage with me and other like-minded individual traders. Everyone in the Discord either started at chapter 1 and then now at chapter 50 of their trading career. So again, this is 100% free. We don't ask for your email. If you don't like it, then you can just move on and leave the Discord. So let's dive into this video, NAS100 versus US30. We're going to break down the key points of what is each and every single one of these and how are they different from each other, and then eventually we're going to dive into the chart here, so make sure you guys stick around for the entire length of this video. So US30 versus NAS100, let's break this down for you guys right now. Obviously, both NAS100 and US30 are popular among day traders, right? Now, choosing the better one depends on your strategy, risk tolerance, and trading style. Now, ultimately, you're going to have to decide on which one you want to trade. Some guys I know just trade US30. Some guys I know just trade NAS100. And some people don't even trade US30 or NAS100. They don't like it. They just simply trade gold. But my personal opinion, if you want to make the fast money as quick as possible, don't want to watch the chart all day, want to come each and every single morning and just make quick money, it is either going to be US30 or NAS100. Now, what is NAS100, right? Now, this tracks the top 100 non-financial companies in the NASDAQ, okay? So this includes tech giants like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and the list goes on and on and on. Now, these are known for high volatility and momentum-based movements, okay? So this is best for traders who thrive on fast pace, price action, and you know that NAS100 is going to make some sort of move each and every single day. You cannot go wrong with trading NAS100. Okay, US30. What is US30? US30 obviously represents the 30 major blue chip companies, right, in the US. So that's the Dow Jones, guys. Again, this is the Dow Jones. It represents 30 of the major blue chip companies in the United States. So just because if you don't live in the United States, people think like you can't trade them, and that's not true, right? You could live in other countries like Canada, the UK, you could live in, you know, Scotland, you could live in Finland, Greenland, Iceland. You could live anywhere in this world, okay, and still trade the US30 and still trade NAS100. These are going to be the biggest, fastest moving ones out of them all, out of everything, right? Out of everything. This is where the action is day in and day out. Again, this includes companies like Boeing, Goldman Sachs, and McDonald's. McDonald's is everywhere throughout this entire world. Every single country basically has a McDonald's in it, okay? Now, this obviously offers smooth, fast, volatile action compared to NAS100. So people ask me all the time, which one is faster? Some people say, oh, NAS100 is faster. That's not true. US30 makes the biggest points. Now remember, as traders, we're looking for the meat of the move, right? We want things that make big moves, big points. When I say big points, it's like going from $1 to $10, right? That's a big move. That's a big point. You don't want anything that goes from $1 to $2. Like, yeah, it's a big move, but you want things that are known for making big moves day in and day out, right? So this is ideal for fast traders looking for quick money day in and day out. US30 is my number one. This is the number one thing that I look to trade day in and day out. And then second would be NAS100. Now, NAS100 versus US30, the key differences I want to talk about between the two, right? This is a huge topic. Not a lot of information out there. Nobody really talks about this stuff. Now, remember, guys, I always told you with this YouTube channel, I'm going to keep it honest, real with everything I put out there for you guys, okay? So US30 is definitely the most fast-paced and volatile out of them all, while NAS100 is more stable. So if you're looking for something that's more stable, you would basically go, right, NAS100. I've had a lot of people come to me and they start trading with US30 and they're like, man, US30 is just way too fast. I can't do it. It's just too much. I panic. So then focus on NAS100. And then some people say, oh, NAS100, it's great. I love trading NAS100, but I just see US30 just ripping, making big moves. Okay, then focus on US30. Now, I would say US30 offers more opportunities for quick scalps, momentum trades. The list goes on and on and on, right? Now, some people will always refer to my style of trading, my strategy, as a scalper. Okay, well, let me explain something to people. If you're making a $50, 50-point move, that's not a scalp. A lot of people don't know the difference from a scalp trader to non-scalp trader. Scalp traders are people that look for like 30 cents or like $1 move, and they're like loading the boat with like size, okay? So again, US30, known to make at least a 100-point move day in and day out, right? NAS100 may suit traders who prefer fewer, more predictable setups. And again, we're going to pull the charts over here for you guys in a second here. Now, margin requirements and spreads may differ from broker, so not every broker is going to be different. That's why I recommend using the same broker as me from a transparency standpoint. I've showed people withdrawals of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $60,000 day after day, week after week. So again, I recommend clicking the link below this YouTube video and using the same broker as me, as well as if you ever want to be part of the copy trading service we sell, that will be required with the same broker. Now, conclusion, before we dive into the charts here, right? So if you prefer fast-paced, tech-driven moves, obviously US30 might be your best bet. If you value slower, more calm price action, then NAS100 could be better for you. But ultimately, guys, the best thing to do is before you risk real money, you want to try both on demo accounts and track your results, track your trades, and just watch the market when you get in these trades to determine which one you prefer to trade with real money. Now, obviously, the best choice depends on your personal trading style and goals, how fast you're looking to make money, or if you're just looking to basically just be a calm, cool, collect trader. That is entirely up to you. So again, let's pull over the charts here and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. And as always, if you want to join the free Discord community, the link is below this YouTube channel. So here is US30, right? And you could see that this is actually today's action. We actually put a buy signal out there. We were looking to buy, have a nice squeeze to the upside, and that's indeed actually what happened. Now we were at one point, our buy was at 41,322, and you can see today it actually ended up running all the way up to 42. Basically 42,000. So right then and there, you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about and how these are known for making hundreds of point moves day in and day out. Now this is US30. People ask me all the time, well, how much money do I need to trade US30, right? US30, to basically take 0.01 lot, you would need at least $200. You can see where my cursor is. You need at least $200 in your account, well, basically $300 to take 0.01 lot. Now, assuming you put a pending order out there, if you put a pending order and you maybe took my buy signal, right? You took my buy signal and you rolled this one by some miracle chance, you rolled this one all the way to the upside. Let's say you're looking for a 500-point move, and let's say you rolled this thing all the way up to this very peak where it's trading right now. You could have made basically $500 with a 0.01 lot position. Now this is again called the lots, 0.01 lot. Think of it, people get lots, and I'll make a video about this as well. People get lots confused. Best way to explain lots, imagine going to your grocery store and you're looking at buying like some sort of lunch meat, whether it's ham, prosciutto, salami, turkey. Think of it as slices, right? You go and you tell them, hey, I just want to buy one slice, 0.01 slice of turkey, right? And they'll shave it right off for you. Think of it like that. Or you could buy 1 pound, right? Or you could buy 0.25 pounds. Think of it like that, okay? So nonetheless, 0.01 lots of US30 could have made $500. But again, we never can predict these big moves. But nonetheless, US30 made a big move. Now, if we look at NAS100, NAS100 makes a big move day in and day out as well. But not as much as US30. So you kind of see the difference here. You kind of see how, basically today, NAS100, we basically dipped down here. We dipped and then we had a push to this upside. of basically went from 18,829 to 19,276. Now, if you took 0.01 lot with if you took 0.01 lot with NAS100, and maybe you have an area of take profit, you could see that you can make good profit, but it's not as much. It's not as quite as much with the same size as you would US30. Now, obviously with NAS100, you could see that, oh, okay, you don't need at least a $300 account. You could use at least a $100 account. So with a $100 account, you can take 0.01 lot. And then basically, you're not gonna be able to take that. Obviously, you have a smaller account size, but you can see the move isn't quite as the same. Now, even if you were able to catch like a dip buy on this, then yeah, your profit might be 328, but again, not as much, right? So you could kind of see now, not every day is the same. Some days NAS100 takes off running and has a bigger, better move than US30, but 9 out of 10 times, the bigger, better move will always be US30 dirty 30. And we call it dirty 30 because sometimes she can do us dirty and basically fake us out of moves, which is exactly what happened right here today. This one ripped up, pull back, ripped up again. This is why we call it US30 dirty 30, because sometimes it could do us really dirty in good ways and bad ways. When I say good ways, it can make us a lot of money very, very fast, where it's kind of like, oh my God, what just happened? Thank you so much. I love the trading profit. Good job. Nonetheless, that's it for this video between US30 and NAS100. What is the difference between the two? Which one should you trade? Again, my advice is try them both out. Use a demo account, see which one you prefer, and keep trading. Remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and click the link if you guys are interested in using the same broker as us, as well as joining our free Discord community. I'll catch you guys in the next one.